What's up guys, it's Kevin again from Nature's Link. Today we're going to go through some of the more frequently asked questions that we get on the website. Starting with the most basic one, what is CBD? Well, CBD or cannabidiol is one of over 140 chemical compounds that are found in the cannabis sativa plant. These chemical compounds or cannabinoids are then extracted to produce oils, balms, vape liquids and all the CBD products that you find on the website. Back in June 2019, the Irish government announced its medicinal cannabis access programme. The biggest difference between this medicine and CBD is this would have a lot higher levels of THC, which is the cannabinoid that most people associate with being high or that euphoric feeling from cannabis. Back in 2018, the World Health Organization commissioned a report on CBD where they found that in humans, CBD exhibits no effects indicative of abuse or dependence potential. If you have any more questions, feel free to message me anytime through the email. Log on to our website, you'll find more videos like this, as well as blog posts about cannabis news here and abroad, and of course other CBD products.